Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you are new around here, I'm Maria. What I do on this channel is beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. If you're into content like that, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and also go ahead and click the all notification bell and give me a big thumbs up so that YouTube can put my video up in the algorithm. So I'm giving you guys a quick tip video on how to apply your foundation to give you an even smooth application. So that's what I'm doing right now in this video, and that clip will be coming up right after this one. All right guys, so go ahead and enjoy this tibbit, is that what you say, tibbit? Beauty tip video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
So right here I am applying my Shine Killer primer by NYX, and I'm working it into my skin thoroughly. What I like about this primer, it has a nice silky feel to it, so you really don't need a lot because a little goes a far way. But I like to work it all the way in until I feel like little to nothing on my palms, and it just feels so good on my skin, nice and silky. I just want it all over my face. It also goes without saying, because the name of the product is Shine Killer, it is good for people with very oily skin. It's going to help to kill the shine throughout the day as you wear your makeup. So right here you see me applying the foundation directly to my skin. I believe that by applying it directly to your skin, you get the best coverage as opposed to applying it with the brush like from the back of your hands. Just be careful not to put too much at one time. You can always add as needed if you need more coverage. So I'm using a brush to blend my foundation in as opposed to a sponge, because that gives me the best coverage with little product. So it really gets it all over where it is needed. As opposed to the sponge, it kind of does absorb the product, which is not what you want. So that's the tip right there. Use a brush to apply the foundation. Apply the foundation directly to your face first and then blend it in with the brush. And we all know by now that blending is essential. Blending, blending, blending. Because if your makeup is not blended properly, it's not going to be smooth, it's not going to be even, and it's just not going to give you that flawless look that you're looking for. So make sure that you blend in your foundation properly into your skin. Now if you feel like you need more coverage, by all means at this point in time you can go ahead and apply more coverage to where it's needed. Right, so just make sure you use a foundation brush. Now right here I am wetting my sponge and I'm patting it, the excess water from it, so that I can go ahead and remove any excess foundation from my face, and that's going to help to give me a smooth and even blend as well. So I'm still blending here, but at the same time I'm removing any excess foundation, and that is how, or that's another way too. All these tips here is what's going to help you to get that smooth, even, flawless foundation look. So remember, the sponge absorbs the product. So by damping it, it's going to absorb any excess foundation that's not needed on your face. And that's it guys, very easy, simple, and quick.